How to change or add phone number on Shein shopping app online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you change or add phone number on the Shein app. If you want to do it so, then first thing first, make sure to update. So go to your respective app store and on the search box, you want to type in Shein. As you go to Shein or when you locate it, so click the update button and after which log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. Now what you want to do is click the me button at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and then you'll be taken to this page. So next thing what you want to do is click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you do it so, you'll be taken to the settings. Now over here you want to go to manage my account, and once you go to manage my account, you could see phone number. Now if you had already added the phone number, you might be able to find this change option, but since I haven't added the phone number, so I have to go and click on add phone number and enter in the phone number. So before that, make sure to select the country's code. Once you do it so, you'll be able to add the phone number. Once you add the phone number, a verification code will be sent through the SMS which you have to enter in, and click the submit button. As soon as you do that, you'll have successfully changed or added the phone number. And similarly for the email, you could see I've already added the email, so I go to the email, and if I want to change it, so click the change button, and then you'll be able to change it by following the same steps. Basically enter in the verification code and you'll have successfully added the phone number on your Shein shopping app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.